Whole heap of love, guys. Whole heap of love. Yeah, man. You live on the live? Go on it, you know. Time flies. I tell you, man. Go fast you can, half an hour, man. If you're tired, you can go and make plans for our next video live. Yes, that's true. Because you know, say, River Stream there, we doing, you know. Right through. You know, say we not do no wrongs, we end up in a wrong place, so we not for there. You see it? Oh, come you go live and you don't read 1,000 subscribers. That's how it go, man. Yeah, no, we can't go live, man. Now you know reach 1,000 subscribers. You never know. Yeah, man. Can't go live, you know reach that. Is it? Yeah, man. This is not TikTok. Yeah. No. When I go live every minute like a TikTok with the fan. This is not TikTok with you. This is my workplace YouTube. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. Wagwan now. Wagwan, peeps. Don't thief Sunrise Bar style. Yeah, one country you come from. You know, say Sunrise Bar say Wagwan now. That thought they say from Sunrise Boss evil half ready for ban it. I just people just I like talking, but talking did it before people half ready for ban. People have said that before them ban. So anybody can say it, but you know, people highlight them own style and talking, you know? Yeah. So take your time. I'm done fix that. You can't fix that now.
Just push it back in.
Yeah, I'm still going on. Yeah, guys. So, you know, go over this. I never show your face. Go there.
No,
See your face, yeah, show. Yeah. I choose people there on the live. So, guys, I know I say I end me go end the live now. So, me go make the live stay so you don't know. People can see it. Is it? Yeah, man. Hello. And guys, next time, you know, so when I do my live, when I go see me here, when I show me here now, you make me here long down so. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, guys. Big up. So, you know, so guys, tomorrow might be do a next live, so I don't know end the live end, no. Yes, thanks. Yeah, man. You're welcome. And we have more to come. We have more coming up. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Bye, guys. Big up on yourself. Enough love. Don't know. Oh, you end the live again. Big up. Big up on yourself. How the live in again? Somebody text me. Cause first me I go live. Going live for the first time. Yo. How it in?